Welcome to Allday Time Systems FreeTime Training Guide. In this guide, we will cover navigating to and an overview of the clock card report, the employee basic report, and the employee full report. First, we will be looking at how to navigate to the clock card report and an overview of the report. Once on the FreeTime Prime dashboard, select the Reports tab. Next, select the Clock Cards tab. The Reports page allows you to view single or multiple employees' clock in and out data from their clock card, along with any absences they have on a report. To view an employee's clock in and out data, select a date range using the From and To input fields. Then, select the department and employees to include in the clock card report and either export to PDF or Excel to view the report. The clock card report displays all three of an employee's clock-ins and outs, along with the total hours for each, displayed on columns Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. The report displays breaks and the total hours worked for the day and period after deducting breaks. Next, we will be looking at how to navigate to the employee basic report and an overview of the report. Once on the Report tab, select the Employee Basic tab. The Employee Basic page displays all employees' basic information on your FreeTime Prime system. You can filter the employees you would like to view through filtering by departments and employees. Once completed, click Search to filter your employees. You can then export to PDF to view the filtered employees' basic information on a PDF report. Next, we will be looking at how to navigate to the Employee Full Report and an overview of the report. Once on the Report tab, select the Employee Full Report tab. The Employee Full Report allows you to select any employee of your choice to view their employee details and default clock card. You can click Export to PDF to view your employee's data on a PDF report. Thank you for completing this guide. For any other queries, please feel free to contact Allday Time Support.